Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Yeah. Sit over here, so let's start from it. This is what it is. Okay. Anyway, it's just a dance on the ass. I pierce it up. I pull up in the ass. Yeah, pierce up all the ass. And then money I don't can build a house for themselves. You run call please say you want to learn this thing, yeah?
Yes, we can learn, man. Yes, come on. Want to kind of talk about it. Space on our
Another you
what?
Another you
You want that.
So why you have to put in your pot?
On the board, you know.
On the board you have to put it in.
Put one over.
Say that's no that. Boleh saya bila aman. Mana pulau panduan, saya nak dua ketik. Mana banyak enak. Dengan terang, ada flow ambil sebuah. No that's nice.
Okay, now I don't know.
I'll do it top.
Top, you start from the top.
You have to teach us some. You have to teach us some stuff on top.
Don't want it. You have been out there.
Alright, no, look away a minute.
More than I found out. Look for that's a go.
Yes, that big.
Which way around?
Right.
No, right, so. Go back, so.
Yeah, go across.
Anyway, see how I am and after. Face out of that now.
That's right,
Show off that one there. Show off that one there. Go in a bit first. Let's show the board. You might be like board. Look come on. Look come on now got feet. That's tomorrow you can use it. Then I go and go all out tomorrow come in and sit down. I want to move from here. You see it's for?
One side, I'm on one side, I'm on the other side. You get some paper.
Eh, eh.
Here is some paper. Give some.
Morning, good morning, good morning. What? Put on the ice while I drip. You take it out of the fridge.
Yeah, man. Dripping, you know?
Dripping.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
Oh, go on, man, the breakfast, man, yeah.
Yeah, man, cause, you know.
See, there's some fried
Yeah, man, get some
dumpling.
dumpling fry up in the car. When I make them fry to a crisp, you know.
Yeah.
I got them fry to a crisp, I hold up. Munching, you see me I say?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, look on the thing now. Cabbage, you know, start dealing with it, you know.
Yeah, cabbage.
You see me?
Morning, yeah.
Yeah, man, I look more at dinner.
Dinner.
You know, breakfast, look
Oh,
more dinner.
breakfast. See
Yeah,
that?
man.
Love the settings.
Yeah, man.
Sure, so yeah, you think up and running.
Yeah, man, you see me I say?
Breakfast, so the man up on the side. Work. You know the work I put in. Love that boy, yeah. That's like cabbage and with that okra night.
Yeah.
And tomato, everything well cut up.
Yeah, man, should I eat saltfish, I'm going to drop piece tonight, you know.
Yeah, anything, man.
See?
We don't have to go that way.
Take piece of
Vital is vital, you know.
Ital, yeah, man. Yeah, man, Bobo Hill, as him talk about Ital, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Bobo Hill.
I eat this.
Yeah, man, I eat this in the Bobo.
Yeah.
I never wait too long for sure me. I eat this in the Bobo Hill.
Shit, eh?
Yeah, man, see that? Alright, I'm going to show you what I go to Bobo Hill, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Straight, vital is vital. Ground provisional.
Oh, you know.
It's a ground provide.
Yeah, man, see that?
This is what the ground provide.
Yeah, man, the ground provide this, you know.
Shit.
Okra, scallion, tomato, pepper, thyme. One thing of carrot there, I'm going to like come
You say carrot gone uptown?
carrot there, man. Get some carrot there. Now, a minute there. I see me can get 2 carrots and drop my thing right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
We are going to shop.
Uncle, tell Pat to get 1 carrot for me there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see me, I
You
say?
know, like how carrot are disappear
Yeah,
from
man,
one.
carrot from all the be a carrot in the axe, but just gone, so. One about the carrot, them, you know. One where carrot gone.
Like how chicken back going over here.
It's back. Love for back, come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause come back, come back. Now for worry myself, I can eat them all half pound.
Oh.
Pound of rice and it's stretch. You see me, I said?
Pre-overeat and
Yeah, man.
initial 3 pounds.
So me I cook pound of rice, you pre-overeat and it turn 2 pound.
It's shit.
Yeah, man, then I cook half pound.
Yeah.
I'm a pre-overeat. Pound it turn, so. This now, only for prayer gone over it already, so.
So when it done, I go swell up even
Show them the
more.
carrot.
Yeah, man, see me now, carrot there, you know. Yeah, man.
I deal with them now.
Only for carrot there, you know. You see me, I say? Dice them up like, oh. You see me, I say, people?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, up
Proper
and
thing, you know.
Up
Yeah, man,
and
because I'm done spikes them up and thing. You know, come back and let her look out for it.
when you're ready.
Ready and thing, you see me, I say?
Yeah, you're ready. Shit. You're ready.
Yeah, man, paper. And I know you can get them food enough come at Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, right now, I'm Italian kitchen, man.
Yeah.
Them food enough do it America and England. And we have to do it.
So where you gonna name a kitchen?
The kitchen?
Yeah.
Italian spikes.
And New York.
Yeah, cause Italian spikes, I have New York on the side and New York on the side. So twice. Yeah, man, so I tell the people, yeah. Yeah, man, I tell them, man, I'm not lying to food, man.
Yeah. Italian
And pretty, red, gold and green and this, ain't I'm done. Ain't I'm done, red, gold and green, because the carrot are going and all the okra don't represent.
Yeah.
Today on the pepper. Alright.
Everything done there now. So
Right.
it's the Rasta color going right
All
now.
of me I put in that now, you know?
Shit. Rastafari.
Yeah, man.
Well, so it's a dumpling done now.
I don't put down now, man, I'm lying up in the car. Badger.
Yeah.
Certain man around there, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Wash them off now.
Wash off, yeah, man. You can't just jack them in, so.
No.
Yeah, man, wash them off.
Hygiene.
Yeah, man, proper hygiene, fat man. You see me, I say?
So the fire well low.
Yeah, man, we'll low underneath it, man.
See it there? Well
You
low.
know?
Italian spikes.
Yeah, man, keep the seat, yeah, man.
Ibage. See color there? Red, gold and green. What the yellow pepper? What the yellow pepper there?
There, man, pepper there, man. I'm not cut him up yet. I'm not cut him up yet.
Colorful in the boy, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Restaurant again, yeah. Italian
Spikes. Yeah, New York on the two side.
New York on the both side.
Yeah, man,
I
that's
know
the
the
one.
thing, bro. New York.
And when this done, and which color it again?
Red, gold and green, man.
Red, gold and green.
Yeah, man. Bobo Hill, man, to the watch what I go on the Bobo Hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause the way you get them on my Itals show.
Yeah.
Now get us everything, man. You see what I say?
Yes, I use some Itals show.
Yeah, man, weekend we have to cook Itals show, man. So this weekend,
Itals show.
Itals show we are cooking.
Alright.
You coconut milk, our peas, carrot, okra. I'm seeing them look very them bank up in Itals. See what I say?
Yeah, man.
Irish. See what I say?
One sample that for true.
Yeah, man, Itals show, man.
Cause we sample almost everything already.
Only thing we sample paper at the Itals show, you know. Rice and peas.
Yeah.
I would have got rice and peas, but you just go white rice too.
And some roast fish. We don't have roast fish yet. And
Whoa! National dish that again, you know.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Roast fish.
I tell you. People have everything covered for you now. You just get the stuff them on the line, them on phone straight. See what I say?
Yes.
Yeah, man, because we have roast fish are coming up.
See there.
Yeah, and we have Itals show coming up, so a whole heap of things are coming up right now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, want a bigger pot though, people.
Yeah.
Want a bigger pot, boy, the Itals show ever cook. Enough Itals show want a bigger pot.
Yeah, man, a viewer sponsor your pots.
Yeah, come need the pot them.
Yeah.
Pick the thing on up more.
Yeah.
I say, yeah, man.
She contact me, say she got sponsor you some pots. Her name is Marlene Jenkins, and we're big.
Marlene Jenkins.
Yeah.
God, man. Yo, Marlene. Respect and honor, yeah, Jenkins.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause them pot you send come for me. You even know where I do, man. Let them come, me I kiss them, you know.
Oh,
Yeah, man, mama. Respect and honor for you. They send them to the field, yeah.
Yeah, man.
So them pot they enter them come. All people love me and for you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Marlene, big up again, yeah?
Yeah. So she got start out some grocery for your kitchen and everything.
Yeah, man, everything.
For,
Shelf
you
is
see me,
so
for the
bad, you
team,
know.
man. Yeah, man, when you think renovate, man.
Think ready for it, man. Shelf up, man. Paper, man. Not tell them, man. Marlene, watch your face, man. Ben, you don't smell it, watch out. You don't smell the cabbage.
She just smell it.
Marlene, you smell it. Oh, look here. Yeah, man, Marlene, man.
Colorful.
Yeah, man.
Pretty.
Go on. Let's smash Marlene.
Yeah. Bobo Hill. That's stuff alright, settings. Ital is vital at the man,
Yeah,
yeah.
man. Bobo Hill. I want to take a better look for my Itals show weekend.
Oh.
Bobo Hill, big up Sister Kalonji. Yeah, man. Capleton. All the Bobo Hill family, them, you know?
Yeah.
All the Bobo Hill, you know? Respect and honor. Yeah, man.
They do the good work in the inner city at Trenchtown, you know.
You see it, man.
Help all the people them in need.
Yeah, man.
You see me, and Delgado, the chef, and make sure say, yo, the man them can maintain on the site, hard working.
Watch your face, man, cause man them around there work right now. So I have to straighten them up for later.
Yeah.
Them have to eat something now, and later them eat something. Oh! You see that, say? People there, man. Respect again, and honor, yeah?
Sure.
Love the people, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, boy, man. You see me, I say? Teamwork, me the dreamwork. You hear that? Yeah, man. Straight ice from my train, man. Tell you, you see?
Ice and drip.
Yeah, man. I'm thinking what you see.
Yeah.
Man, John,
You say a glass. One ice papa, but I work.
no matter work, people, man.
Yeah.
That's the glass of work, but
Drip.
yeah, man. It's dripping right now. Later, I'm getting full 100 later, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Back next 15 minutes circle.
Yeah.
Tell them the store, man, because now I'm really putting up iron, you know? And I said that. Whoa! Man, you see it?
Yeah, man, I know your thing, man, boy. Yeah, man.
Go and take some simmer down and cook them cook down in a man thing and yeah, man.
Simmer down.
Crack up on it, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Great. Gin. There upon the scene, we say I play some Xbox.
Yes, man. You see it?
Hey, what do you
Yeah,
think?
1 5, you know?
Cool, man.
Yeah,
People say the man a glow, so man. Jaja.
What's up, bro? So I got.
There, man, I pass through. Do the one on Prince site, you know the things already.
Yeah, for real.
They say the dream team member them there too. Yeah, link up. Yeah, the thing there.
Now I big up the box and him daughter same way, you know, we don't forget it.
I know say my son and daughter, I'm wife.
I'm wife.
Yeah.
Big up your wife.
So our apology.
Our apology.
Yeah, Corinthian and my wife, Makeda from Trenchtown. So correction.
Correction, brother.
Really. So our apology.
And just big up the other rest of people, eh.
Yeah, the good and everything.
They said love.
Love goes to everybody, man. You see me?
Everybody goes on.
Yeah.
Everyone give thanks, you know?
Yeah. People them want to know say, yeah, because them want to know say you're ginger up. Yeah. I want to say last time them see you out of patrol. Yeah.
Yeah, because I have to come out to the sort house today, see?
Yeah. Like,
I want to wait for some process, see me?
yeah. Like why you what not on them thing left to start out.
Them good thing they want to put in place.
Dresser, yeah.
They don't know Prince thing I start out, so I'm glad for that, so I'm not really rush now.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand? So yes, I'm glad to see Prince thing up and almost done now, you see? Yeah, and I really like
Till you say
that.
a window jumping.
I win around that drop
Yeah,
in
man,
and
glad to
see,
hear that, man, I see it.
so you know the
I
thing.
don't know if you ever up to date same way.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man, I really like it.
I always watch what I go and see me.
Keeps me there, man, I hear that.
Yeah.
Up and running, I really like, you know the thing.
Yeah, for them,
Blessings
bless.
to everybody, you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm
all for that.
starting to the beginning.
Yes, man.
Start till now, changes in life.
You know?
Yeah. Boss and Glow. Go and play 2 Xbox.
Yeah, I try to get that voice. Can't feel it bored in the morning, so.
Yeah.
Let's say we go and play 2. You know?
So you know when them day I go dry out again and bring her on a Prince side.
Yeah, man.
You know, say what means
So
soon.
far, I hope me without your pants, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, without even hope me.
I want to get some more t-shirt print and ready for that day there, you know.
Literally, you say, man, start with some of them.
Yeah man, I forgot to get t-shirt for that day them and everything, so man have on
T-shirt
them.
them are
Them t-shirt, that's what I'm having. Yeah man, but if I have them t-shirt for the one. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I task the one gym.
Yeah, man, tall sleep, man.
enough
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and I really like.
Hold on, when I see anything, me I pray to for myself, I task sleep.
I'm on type of
Cool man, you got
you have to
yourself.
see that girl in the key, you hear that?
Cool now,
And
let
then
me
you
tell
have to
you.
put work in the car, all the blessing I get out and people
Yeah.
talk all the thing in the car.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
program I do a good thing, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
Need to publish more. People body know about it, you see? Yeah, and I really like brother. We need some of the bigger heads them to come on board to brother.
Yeah, true.
He has strength.
Yeah.
I do a good thing, he's a young youth in the charge. You see me? And we see bigger people with a bigger position who could have come and do this. Them now do them something where you are the brother, so.
Yeah,
All the
really.
blessings to you, brother.
So them can come
And
on
you will
board.
be there in the house right now, you hear that?
Yeah, for
I
real.
really like you.
Elevation.
And the people them are doing everybody, you see me?
Yeah, so to big up the one of them. Straight to make this possible.
You need some of the bigger heads them out here to come on board and be a helping and charging.
Yeah, man.
And enough people need help and them something, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
A lot of people who are straight don't know. You see me, I have to get one step at a time. Start out, we can start out, but we need help same way.
Yeah, yeah. For real, man. I
And
really
them out
talk.
here, brethren.
Yeah, so them can come on board and get a real positive strength towards development to go on in a place. Because all the people there, less fortunate people, we definitely need the help right now. You see me? So we have to give thanks to the donor them. Yeah, and give thanks to the Almighty as well, because I don't know what make things possible.
Every one of them blessings and love to the whole of them, you see.
Yeah, too much name for call.
You might tell the brother, man.
Too much. I will start call name as now the battery dead. Run out of space for a memory card. You understand? So we show the people them on the outside really have a kind heart and know. Yeah man. So you have to big them up every time,
The
man.
greatest thing, the corona out and them still a try their best same way. So give God thanks that same way.
Yeah,
Father
yeah.
God just guide everyone out now. Protect you from the corona.
Yeah.
But I be taught you just the same, but you know more in a danger more than we.
Yeah.
So just bless you.
And then God doesn't
We
make
still going
things
on the street
possible.
but make it through the same way.
Yeah,
I hold my love and respect all of them.
yeah man, I hold it for risk them.
Holy blessings and holy love and things.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a good look.
So as I said, one step at a time. You understand?
Alright.
Everything will make sense soon.
Everything will make sense soon.
Definitely.
Yeah, man, teamwork, I'm a dreamer.
Yeah man.
Dream
So,
team,
dream team man. So we are going to put all the prayers them see me. And beg Jah for the health and strength, you know, and the guidance to bring me through. You see me, because you don't know. We are going with the faith see me. And know say everything is possible. Because we believe, you know. I want to believe in a man. Believe kill and believe kill in myself. We believe for the
Pray
good.
that Father God in you. There's nothing can stop that.
Yeah.
Put it to sleep and then rise you up every man. You have to give God thanks for that.
Yeah man.
And many are also there on the team, but they're here right now and by left out and I hear all the morning saying one drop out of the team. All I gotta put it in the same way, in the same way. So give God thanks to everybody.
All the time. Big up the doing them once more. Blessings to the Almighty.
Again from start till now. Blessings and love to the whole of me.
Alright, yeah, you see it there.
You know, Jimmy, I love the whole of me.
Yeah.
I want to make this possible to you.
Yeah, man. Without them, it wouldn't possible at all.
All the love, man, and just go and do the good work, save me and help. All your people need help, you know.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Go and do the good work, and God will bless the whole of me. See,
yeah.
So, that man.
Alright, then.
I really like, you know.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
All the love and blessing.
Alright.
Breakfast.
Rasta.
Breakfast. Long time.
Fried up in a quarter half of the
Me. Spice right from Italy.
Inevitable.
No. Look at this.
It's a wet.
Yeah, that's a way. That's a kind of. Work with a little table. Oh, yeah. Bring 2 black, man. Bring 2 blacks. Set up 2 blacks. Turn over the back.
On the side.
Yeah, just turn it down. Yeah. Push that car. Push back. Push back.
Right, on the man.
Yeah, man, that's rubber.
So why you have to have on the boat?
We have the boat for what?
Yes, man. Breakfast is served, boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, kind of vegetable flavor.
Irish.
Yeah, man, let's see what.
Come see, man. Pass it out.
Yeah, man, that's so I go on, man.
Yeah, be good.
Okay, alright, man. Next one.
5 quarter.
Alright, cut on the bread now.
Yeah, that's spice soup.
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.